Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change a ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now find and pick sound and vibration, and here let's open phone ringtone and vibration. And here you can just check all ringtones that you have. So let me start with this one. And then just pick the one that you like the most. So let me choose, for example, Eco. And then let's go back. So this is it. As you can see, phone ringtone has been changed. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.